A warning tonight for people who own horses. A mysterious illness cost a Salt Spring Island breeder a mare and 2 foals. And after another horse landed in hospital, he is sounding the alarm over tent caterpillars. CTV's Stephanie Sherlock reports.
Good girl.
10-year-old Brandy is on the mend.
She presented extremely weak with a rapid heart rate, and in fact you could barely hear her heart because it was so muffled from all the fluid that was surrounding it.
More than 20 liters drained so far from the sac around her heart.
We always have to monitor hospitalized horses.
The vet and her owner blame tent caterpillars.
Caterpillars theoretically anyway drop off the deciduous trees into the pasture and get consumed by the horses while they're grazing.
When the caterpillars showed up on the farm in just ridiculously massive numbers, we took the precautions not to get our horses out on the pastures. We left them in paddocks and stalls.
Despite his best efforts, he suspected the animal ingested caterpillars after 2 of his pregnant mares lost their foals.
All of a sudden, things were becoming more clear that either I had a major problem on the farm with some virus going through here, or these tent caterpillars had indeed caused what I thought they had caused.
The bacteria carried in their spiny backs seems to attach to the uterus, causing mares to miscarry. It also causes fluid to collect around the heart.
So she has a drain in her pericardium right now, and we're trying to evacuate that and deal with any possible infection and inflammation that she may have.
Western tent caterpillars are nothing new to this area. They were particularly plentiful this year and maybe even worse next year.
It's getting into the higher stages of its cycle, its population cycle, but it will crash within a year or 2.
Making getting the word out that much more important.
I just want to make sure that horse owners in particular are aware that tent caterpillars pose a risk to them.
As for Brandy, her prognosis is good. Her destiny even better.
Her destiny is to stay on my farm.
Stephanie Sherlock, CTV News.